Well, now I've done it. Dropped a tree branch. And I didn't think it was going to actually hit the track where I was cutting it, but it did. So now I've got to replace another rail. I'm going to have to be more proactive about it than I was the last time the tree hit the track. But, well, I tried bending it back and that didn't help. So I guess I'll be replacing that rail. It's right on a joint, of course. Best place ever. Yeah. Well, anyway, I've got this thing cut up and I guess I need to load it up onto the train. It's too bad I didn't have the camera going for the damage that happened to the rail, but oh well, that's the way the cookie crumbles. Welcome to the Brook Railroad. This is how we clean up a beech tree, that is. Better than it was, but I still need a hammer on it. Slipped through the crack somehow. There's 10 feet of ties in now. Move this one back into place. I guess I gotta loosen up that screw right there. I got the ties put in. I got the rails hooked up on this end anyway. I'm going to do the other end, but we've got to jack the track up a bit. So let's do some lining. Well, it's all resurfaced, well, sort of. It roughed it in, but I didn't have the camera running for it because I had a visitor here. Darris Neville from the International Brotherhood of Live Steamers, the current secretary, stopped in to check the railroad out because he saw us on YouTube. So appreciate him stopping by, but I didn't want to try to be host and run a camera at the same time and do work, because you know, this YouTube stuff is all one-man show. No camera holders for me, at least not yet. Doesn't make that much money. So we got the track all jacked up here on the main line here at Woodchuck Run. Let me turn this camera around so you can see what it is. All right, so we jacked everything up. We tamped it. We raked ballast in. We tamped it some more. Ran the ballast regulator and did a little test run with a 70 across this section. So it is back in service. I do have to get some more ballast and put it in here because this is just going to fall away over the winter time, and just too much of a slope, not being held in by anything. So I gotta get some more ballast down here, so that's something I can do another day, but I have some more visitors coming a little later, so that's why I was in such a hurry to fix the track today. Oh yeah, I still gotta do that. So I guess I got one more joint to fix. You've already seen me fix joints, so you don't need to see me fix that one. So I guess at this point, it's thank you for watching. If you did like today's video, why don't you hit that thumbs up button. If I earned it, hit the subscribe button. And you can always join us over on Patreon, patreon.com/Millbrook Railroad, and we'd be glad to have you in the community that is growing over there that we call the Roundhouse. I want to thank you very much again for watching, and have yourself a great day.